Hello everyone, today we are going to do class 10 maths part 1 chapter number 2, that is quadratic equation, practice set number 2.1 we are going to complete today. Let's start with the first question. Write any two quadratic equation. Okay, so we have to write any quadratic equation that comes to your mind, that is x square minus 5x plus 4. You all can write any equation, children, there is no limit to it. 5y square is equal to 36. Only 2 has been asked, so I have written 2. The next question is, decide which of the following are quadratic equation. We have to find whether the given equation is quadratic or no. So how is the solution? In equation, I will write it in short form. X is the only variable, isn't it? There is no other variable in the equation. Only x is there. There is no y. X and y is not there. X is only there, and it's in the form of a square, bx and c. Okay, so with highest index 2, isn't it? So only two rules that you all have to follow, that is a variable should be of the same, that is x. If it's x, it should be x only everywhere, and its index value should be 2. So therefore the equation is a quadratic equation. Okay, so two rules you all have to remember. Now the second question is in this form. First we will change its form and write it in a square plus a square plus bx plus c. In that form we will write it. I will write it so that it will be easy for you all to understand. All the equations should be, all quadratic equations should be in this form. Okay, so we will write it in this form. Therefore y square minus 5x when it changes its side. Okay, 5x plus 10 because we need it on the left hand side, and to the right hand side should be 0. So all the equations should be in this form, children. Therefore again, in equation y is the only variable with the highest index 2. Therefore it's a quadratic equation. Second equation, again we will write it in the quadratic equation form, that is by multiplying the equation by y. Okay, so it is going to change to y cube if we are multiplying it. Y cube plus 1 is equal to 2y. Therefore, we'll write it over here. Therefore, y cube minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, in equation, the highest index of variable y is 3 and not 2. Okay, so according to the rules that I have explained, the value of the index is 3 instead of 2. So we can say that it is not a quadratic equation. It's not a quadratic equation. Fourth sum is in this form. So again, multiplying equation by x. So it will change to x plus 1 is equal to minus 2x. Therefore, x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, only one variable is there and the highest degree is 2. So, it is a quadratic equation. In this equation, x is the only variable with highest index 2. Therefore, the equation is a quadratic equation. Fifth sum. So this is the question. Therefore, m, we will multiply it with this, that is m minus 5 plus 2, m minus 5 is equal to 0. This is 5. Therefore, m square minus 5m plus 2m minus 10. You all have to multiply in this pattern, children. Okay, plus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, m square minus 3m, okay, subtracted, minus 10 is equal to 0. M is there, is the only variable, and the highest degree is 2. Therefore, it's a quadratic equation. So, in equation, m is the only variable with highest index 2. Therefore, it's a quadratic equation. Got it? Now, sixth one. This first we will change this equation, that is m cube minus 3m square plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 2m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so the value is 3. Okay, whereas it's in the minus form also, so therefore it's not a quadratic equation. So in equation, highest index of the variable m is 3. Okay, therefore it's not a quadratic equation. Now, let's move to the question number 3. Write the following quadratic equation in the form. See, this form I had explained you just now. Write the values of a, b and c. Okay, so this is the question that they have given. We have to write it in this form and then we have to find the values of a, b and c. So, therefore, 2y is equal to 10 minus y square. Therefore, y square plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. So you will see that I have already written in this form. Okay, so the equation is complete. Comparing it with now, comparing with the standard form, a is how much? 1. B is how much? 2. C is minus 10. Okay, so see, these are the variable. When there is no number, we have to take 1. Got it? So in this form, we all have to solve it. Second sum. This is the question. Therefore, x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 2x. I will shift all these to over left hand side. All these numbers I have shifted to the left hand side. This I have expanded. Okay, the formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so this is the expansion of this formula. I have already written. Therefore, x square minus 4x, this is going to be 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, your standard form is ready. Therefore, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is 1, b is minus 4 and c is minus 2. The next sum is third sum. Therefore, x square plus 5x is equal to minus 3 plus x. Therefore, x square plus 5x minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus 4x plus 3. You will have to subtract it. Now, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is 1, b is 4, c is 3. Fourth sum. Therefore, 3m square minus 2m square plus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, m square plus m plus 9 0m. Okay, I'll show you why I have written 0 is equal to 0. We will compare it. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is supposed to be 1, b is supposed to be 0 and c is supposed to be 9. Fifth one, we have to multiply in this order. So therefore it is going to be 3p plus 6p square plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore 6p square plus 3p plus 5 is equal to 0. Comparing it. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is 6, b is 3 and c is 5. Next, therefore x square minus 9 minus 13. Therefore x square, add this, is equal to 0. Therefore x square plus 0x, because there is no value, we have to compare it in this form, okay, in the standard form. So minus 22 is equal to 0. Comparing it. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is 1, b is 0 and c is minus 22. Now in this question we have to determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equations rooting the quadratic equation or no. Okay, so these are the values of x that they have given. We have to substitute in this equation and find whether it's a root or no. So first, substituting x is equal to 1. In which equation? LHS, that is going to be 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 5. Okay, left hand side means only this 0 we have not included. Okay, so the answer is going to be 1 plus 4 minus 5, which is going to be 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so you will see we have got 0 on the left hand side, whereas on the right hand side it's already 0. So therefore x is equal to 1 is the root of the given quadratic equation. Okay, is equal to, you all can write it over here, is equal to right hand side. Next we have to take -1 in the same equation, same pattern. LHS means left hand side numbers you all have to take by substituting x is equal to -1, which will be -4 -5, 1 -9 is equal to -8, which is not equal to RHS. Okay, so therefore x is equal to -1 is not the root of given quadratic equation. Got it, children? So when you get 0 on both the sides, that is left hand side and right hand side, after substituting the given values in the question, then only you all can say it is a root or no. Now second question, they have again given us two values. We have to substitute in the left hand side first. Substituting first, m is equal to 2. So left hand side we will take first this side. Okay, so 2 -5, 2. Solve it. Answer is going to be 4. 8 -10, which is -2, not equal to RHS. Okay, RHS is how much? 0. So it's not having answer as 0. So it is not the root. So you all have to write it. M is equal to 2 is not the root of the given equation. Given quadratic equation or given equation. Now we will substitute the second value, that is 5/2 is equal to m. Okay, so this value we have to substitute it, which is left hand side is equal to 2 5/2 minus 5 5/2. So it is going to be 2. 25 square roots you all have to take. 5 2s are 10, and then you all have to multiply it with 5. 25/2 minus 25/2. The answer is going to be 0, which is equal to RHS. Therefore, m is equal to 5/2 is the root of the given equation. Fifth sum is, if x is equal to 3 in one root of the equation, this is the quadratic equation, find the value of k. So x is equal to 3 is been given, is the root already given, is the root of the given equation. Okay, so what we have to do, substitute x is equal to 3 in this equation. So k 3 square, instead of x you all have to substitute it as 3. So therefore 9k minus 30 plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore 9k minus 27 is equal to 0. Therefore 9k is equal to 27. I have just moved minus 27 to the right hand side because we have to find the value of k. We will take 9 also over there. 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27. Therefore k is equal to 3. We have got the value of k. Wasn't it easy? Let's solve the sixth question. One of the root of the quadratic equation is this, is minus 7/5. Complete the following, fill in the blanks with the value of k. Same as we did the fifth sum, we have to do, but it in the form of fill in the blank. Minus 7/5 is a root of the quadratic equation, which is already been given in the question. Therefore 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0. So m is equal to minus 7 upon 5 is the quadratic equation that we have to substitute in the form of m. Therefore, 5 minus 7 upon 5 upon raised to 2 plus 2, the value of m is minus 7 upon 5 again, plus k is equal to 0. Now first we will take the square roots, that is 5 we will keep it as it is. This is 49 upon 5. 5 square is 25. Okay, so we can reduce it. Then over here we have to multiply it. It is going to be minus 14 upon 5. Okay, multiply this 2 plus k is equal to 0. Now 5 ones are 5 5s are 25. Therefore 49 upon 5 plus minus 14 upon 5. We have to change the sign over here. Therefore 7 plus k is equal to 0. Now how did we did this? We have to take it in this form, children. 5, 49 plus and minus, so 14. Okay, so when we take this, you all have to first subtract it. Okay, subtract it, write the number, then reduce it. You will be getting the answer as 7. So therefore k is equal to, just move its side from left hand side to the right hand side, it is going to change its sign. So k is minus 7. I hope this exercise is clear to everyone. If there is any queries regarding any question from this exercise, please let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.